Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing an intermediate leg workout to burn as many calories as we can. 6 exercises, 12 minutes, Transformers. Let's go. All right guys, our first exercise, we're gonna be doing a side lunge into a reverse lunge, 40 seconds on both sides. And let's go. Side lunge first, reverse lunge second. All my weight is gonna be on my outside leg. All my weight's gonna be on the outside leg. Side lunge into a reverse lunge. Notice here, I'm sticking my bum back, I'm standing up tall. I'm keeping my chest up, I'm standing up tall. And then make sure to squeeze your bum in the top. Side lunge, reverse lunge. Keep it going, guys. Feel those legs working. 10 seconds, and then we're gonna switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All my weight now is gonna be on my outside leg. This is my right leg. I'm gonna do a side lunge. Make sure that knee is pushing out the whole time. Stand up tall, and then into a reverse lunge. Stand up tall, squeeze your bum in the top. Ready position? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Side lunge, reverse lunge. Keep it going, we're going for a total of 40 seconds. That's what guys, as you stand up tall, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe in, coming down, breathe out, standing up tall. Nice, feel those legs working. We're gonna strengthen the glutes. We're gonna work those quads. You feel those hamstrings working as well. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Hard ones coming up. We're gonna jolt the heart rate up by doing some burpees. You're gonna hop back into a plank position, hop to your hands. You're gonna hop up to the ceiling. Let's get ready. We're gonna be going for a total of 40 seconds. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Burpees. Let's go. Hop back, hop forward, hop up, hop back, hop forward, hop up. Try to go as quick as you can. Make every single second count. Make every single rep count. Nice work guys, we're more than halfway. All right, legs burning, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Next exercise coming up, we're gonna be doing some deadlifts, some Romanian deadlifts. You're gonna grab a set of dumbbells here, shoulders are back, small bend in the knees. I'm going to stick my bum back. Weights are gonna be just below my knees, and then I'm gonna stand up tall. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stick your bum back, stand up tall. Common mistake that I see is having the weights too far in front. If you have the weights too far in front, you're gonna round that back. You wanna make sure the weights are nice and close so that your back remains nice and flat. You're gonna use the legs to push the floor away from you. Every time you stand up tall, breathe out. You're gonna feel those hamstrings a little bit more in this exercise. Keep those shoulders back. Almost there, guys. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Next, we're gonna be doing some alternating reverse lunges. So here, I'm gonna step back with my right leg, alternate sides, step back with the left leg. Keep those weights in hand. We're gonna really strengthen and fire the legs. We're gonna start in 5 seconds. 2, 1, and let's go. 40 seconds. Step back with the right. Step back with the left. Keep that chest up the whole time. Keep those shoulders back. Nice strong grip. Stand up tall, squeeze your bum. Keep that core engaged the whole time. Step back with the left leg. Step back with the right leg. Keep breathing. Legs should be burning, guys. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. All right, our next exercise, we're going to suitcase squats. My feet are going to be shoulder width apart. The weights are going to be right by the side of my legs. I'm going to squat down nice and low, and I'm going to stand up tall. Stick your bum back right here. Keep the back flat, and push the floor away from you. Very similar to the deadlifts, except the weights are by your side. 40 seconds, let's go. Push the floor away from you. Get down low, stand up tall. As you come down low, core tight. As you stand up tall, squeeze your bum and breathe out. Doing great, guys. Make every single rep count. Make every single second count. We're already sweating, might as well work hard. Big push. Big push. You guys are doing great. Less than 10 seconds, keep working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right. Put the weights down, grab a quick break, and then you can join me for our next circuit. Take a 60-second breather. You also can join me with a few stretches, and then we're going to start back up in our next circuit. Let's switch sides. All right, guys, let's get ready for our second circuit. We're going to be back to the side lunge, reverse lunge, starting in about 15 seconds. We're going to go 40 seconds with the left leg, 40 seconds with the right leg. Make sure you're working both legs, very important, unless you want an uneven bum, which nobody wants. All right, we're going to start in 5 seconds. All my weight on that left leg. Side lunge, reverse lunge, 40 seconds. Let's go. Side lunge and a reverse lunge. Side lunge and reverse lunge. When you're doing the side lunge, stick your bum back. When you're doing the reverse lunge, big step back, keep that chest up, stand up tall, engage the glutes. Side lunge, reverse lunge, keep going. All my weight is on the outside leg. My left leg is doing the majority of the work here. Keep breathing, guys. You're gonna feel the legs burning. That's what we want. We're gonna strengthen the legs. We're gonna burn as many calories as we can today. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and time. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. We're gonna work our right leg next. Same thing, side lunge. Notice how all my weight is shifted on my outside leg. And then when I do my reverse lunge, again, my weight is on my front leg and I'm having my chest up here the whole time. Ready, 2, 1, and let's go. Side lunge, reverse lunge, focus on that right leg. Doing all the work. Stick your bum back right here. Thrust your hips forward. Keep going, guys, doing great. If you're doing it right, you should feel the glutes working. Nice, push up to the front heel. Almost there, guys. 10 more seconds, let's work. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, get down low, give me one more. 2, 1, and time. Nice work, burpees coming up. Let's jolt that heart rate up. Get a nice sweat going here. We're going to hop back, hop forward, hop up. You guys know what to do. We're gonna get started here. Ready, position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hop back, hop forward, hop up, hop back, hop forward, hop up. Jump up as high as you can. Try to hit your head on the ceiling. As soon as you come up, come straight back down. Try not to rest. As soon as you go down, straight back up. Soft landing, absorb those ankles and knees. You guys are doing great. Less than 10 seconds. Let's go a little quicker. 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, let's grab your weights. We got our deadlifts next. Don't be afraid to use heavy weights for these ones. Stick your bum back. Weights are gonna be just below the knees. Stand up tall. Another common mistake is going too low. If you go too low, you're gonna round your back again. So just go halfway down. 40 seconds, let's start. Weights go halfway down. Stand up tall. Keep the shoulders back here. Pushing up to the heels. Stick your bum back. Stand up tall. Keep breathing, guys. Okay, the more you sweat, the more calories you burn. The faster we're gonna lose weight, tone up, strengthen the legs. That's what we want. 10 seconds, keep working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we got our alternating lunges next. Hold on tight to the weights. Take a couple more deep breaths in and out, catch your breath. All right, alternating lunges. Step back with the right leg. You're gonna step back with the left leg. Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Step back with the left, stand up tall. Step back with the right, stand up tall. Keep the shoulders back, keep working here, guys. Nice work, keep the core tight. Keep those shoulders back. Pretend like you're climbing up a set of stairs here. Big step forward. Stand up tall. Engage the core. We're almost there, guys. Let's squeeze in 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And time. Let's work. All right, we got our last exercise coming up. Suitcase squats, and then we're done. I want you guys to give me 110%. Make every single rep count. I want your legs to be absolutely burning. Feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna come down. Weights by the side. Stand up tall. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good. Push the floor away from you. Breathe out at the top. Keep it going, guys. Nice work. Core engaged the whole time. Chest up, push to the heels. Heels. Good work. Already halfway there. Let's get a little lower, guys. Let's go a little quicker. Doing great. 10 seconds, as hard as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for your free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.